So why put up with bad housing? Have you considered combining a VA mortgage and your basic allowance for housing? A VA mortgage and a housing allowance can be a powerful combination, and when you use them together, they can put you on the fast track to homeownership. And that's something that many regard as the integral part of the American dream. We all have to live somewhere, and if you're not happy with the housing on base, you may be able to do something about it and buy a home of your own. So VA loans are mortgages that are guaranteed by the U.S. Department of Veteran Affairs, and they might be the most valuable reward that you'll get for your service. And because of this, you'll be able to buy a house with 0% down, so not a cent unless you choose to put more down. Ultra low mortgage rates. Now, VA borrowers pay significant lower rate than borrowers who use other financing programs. No mortgage insurance. Now, the VA funding fee, which you do pay up front, but you can finance into your mortgage, this covers your mortgage with no monthly insurance premiums. Flexible underwriting. So previous credit problems are less likely to bother your VA loan lender than others. Low closing costs. The VA limits some closing costs and allows sellers to pay the other. Finally, VA loans are assumable, even by future buyers of your home who are not veterans of the military. So that might help you sell your home faster or for more money down the road. Although BAH is not counted as income on your tax return, it can be used as income on your mortgage application. Now, this is a huge benefit to the military service. You will need to be able to show that you receive BAH, how much you receive each month as well. Now, your BAH can be added to your income, which increases your buying power, and it can make it easier to qualify to buy a home here in San Diego. As an untaxed allowance, the BAH is designed to provide a reasonable amount of money for service members to secure housing. Now, since some home prices differ widely from both rental and the purchase market, the BAH may not always be enough to cover your monthly cost for housing. So the amount of monthly mortgage payments really depends on the interest rate, your credit score, and your down payment, which are unique to each applicant. In most cases, your BAH may cover the entire monthly mortgage amount, and in other instances, you may have to use some of your base income to pay the rest of your bills. The basic allowance for housing applies to active duty service members only. Now, once a service member has been discharged, they'll no longer qualify for that BAH. However, our veterans do qualify for loan programs such as the VA loan. So if you're a veteran, you should ask your local loan officer if other income sources can count towards your income for your mortgage. For example, housing assistance related to your education through your GI Bill, that may be considered. But if you're in San Diego and you don't know of a lender, reach out and I'll connect you with a couple of my trusted lenders that are not only experienced in the VA loans, but are veterans themselves. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another week of Mondays with Mario. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions on your qualification or just VA loans in general, feel free to reach out. You can contact me directly via phone or text, 760-562-8121. Hope you guys have a solid week. Look forward to catching you guys on next week's show.